Alright guys, so now that we fire stuff, so we are show off our catch. So this was my catch. What is going on? What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Happy people. Good morning. It's actually a bright, beautiful day here in Jamaica today. Big up everybody, big up my subscriber them, big up my loyal viewers them, big up everybody. You don't know, me and Benjie there. You don't know, Benjie always in the kitchen, and I'm familiar with him already. Me at dip on my way right now, guys. I go link when I'm a brother. We're gonna do some rock fishing this morning and hopefully it goes good. We can actually get a content out of it, but please consider this in mind, guys. Doing rock fishing, it's not normally a guarantee that we're gonna catch. It's not even a guarantee that we're gonna catch big fish or any fish at all, but it's called fishing and not catching. So let's see what happens this morning, guys. But shout out to everyone I don't know. Shout out to my Falmouth viewers, my Mobby, my Town, whole Jamaican viewers. Shout out to everybody. Thanks so much for the growth and everything. You don't know. Stay tuned, guys. We get on the rock. Show and I pick up my brother everything. We get on the rock. Do some fishing. Enough talking. Alright. Alright guys, so I just reached for my little bro block. I come pick him up. I don't know him have all the accessories them too. These are actually soldier crabs. And I don't know what else him have, but I know him already. Alright guys, so just pulled up at a secret location. For me, it's actually new. For my brother, it's a secret spot. The guy that you saw went and picked up earlier with the soldier crabs and stuff. So I'm just walking back to the location where they are right now because I stopped at the car to do something. But yeah, it's actually beautiful out here. I'm gonna give you guys some overhead shots right now, so just stay tuned for that and catch you when we're fishing, okay? Guys, just look at that. How beautiful is this spot, yo. Yep. Yeah, first one, a little butter. I can't go back and see. Yeah man, now I can't chew back. Run on that stone with it. Run on that stone with it. It's locked up and mass. See a little one a bite, guys, I swear. Alright guys, so as you know, we're using soldier crabs for the bait, And this is the whole process of getting them out of the shell. Yeah. Want to use this part with your hook. And then we toss, alright? Alright guys, so now make a cast now. So go on.
Are we live?
See. Watch it. Getting a bite already. Probably small. Oh, come on. Nice, you the make. See. Are we live? Alright guys, so line. Come on, take it already. Yes, it's called fishing and not catching, alright? It's called fishing and not catching. But this little one here, I don't know what he's talking about in it. Come here. Come here. Para español, iluminoros. Para español, iluminoros. Thank you for calling String Beans Line. Guys, now look at that. Right? Nice grunt. Look at that, guys. Thank you so much. Alright, guys, I'm at it again. You know, so the ones with the chest cam, where you're not seeing any face, you know that's me, right? And the ones that you're seeing, my brother and Benjie. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. Hey, when these fish walk. Oh, my days. Guys, trust me, guys. It's oh my, oh, lucky.
I see a fish, people.
Oh, happy day. Yes, guys, stay tuned. Come no bother with that. Just run with the line. You know what this line is about already, you know, swimmers. Hold on. What this man a drawing here, so? So silent. What? You have sitting on line, let me see it. Wally parrot, watch ya. Guys, just look at that. I'm glad me have it on camera. Yo, what? Oh, God. Alright, guys, so just changed location. Caught one already. Camera wasn't on. Now I'm getting our next bite. It was actually a double hookup, by the way. Alright. Whoa. Right on that stony run guy with it. Wow, yellow tail. Nice cool yellow tail there. So them pretty, man. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see in the background over there. Ricky and Stretch are still catching fish. I am gonna set the fire up and get ready. There's a little fire spot right over here that It look like people use this pot before. So right now, I get the fire started. I have my machete and everything, so you don't know. Stay tuned, see what I go on. Just get a few of these to start it. Alright guys, so now that we fire start, don't know, next step, alright? Alright guys, so as you know, right now, it's Benjie the good old yellow yam. Put it on the flame now. Fire it hot so till it can't no more.
Yellow with yam.
Yeah man. We won't start roast the fish them yet because the yam takes a longer while to roast than the fish, so I do the yam first, alright? So stay tuned. Alright guys, so just so one fisherman and barren gears them. I jump off in the water for so I go on. The boss them there, don't know. Bring on a dive with me, yeah? Can't see water not going there. Show off our catch. So this was my catch today, right? That we're gonna roast up now with some yam. This is my catch. Stretch is going to show his and Ricky is going to show his. In the comment section, drop your comments, let me know who caught the most classy fish. Yeah, I don't want to use the word nice, alright? Alright guys, so like I said earlier, this is Bro's fish. This is for Stretch. Yeah? So comment, let me know whose fish nice. This is for Ricky. Benjie. Yes? This is for me. That is for Stretch. This is for Ricky. This is for me. Who caught the better fish? Guys, Jamaica nice. Bro, lay down over there, so relax. Yeah man, while the fire I go on with the little yummy night, same way, don't know. Just keeping you guys updated, alright? Yeah guys, so see there? Yam in process. You don't know, one piece roast already. Yeah man, so I go put on with stick them and now for roast up with fish and things, so stay tuned, alright? Alright guys, so as you can see, our stove is ready, the grill. Homemade grill. I don't know if I watch spearfish in Jamaica, you will see this a lot in his videos because he does mainly catch and cooks. Yeah, I won't use a chef stick today, as you know he invented that as well. But as you can see, we have our coals. This is as low as we can get it, you know, to roast our fish and stuff. So here we have our fish, Benjie himself. Yeah man, put them on now. Make them go and steam through. Stay tuned, alright? See pray. Yeah man. Yeah guys, so process is still on. I don't know. Yes, gentle people. Just be patient, alright? We're here guys, don't worry. Alright guys, so right now, don't know, fish them ready. So deal with a piece of roast yam. Don't know if thing come down when I roast yam and scrape it.
Stretch. Where you going with that now?
Man, I'm yellow man. Everything missing all little butter. Hold on, so who for plate that? Who for that the plate? I fool. Oh. So oh boss said, what make him have 2 plates? Oh you? Because the size fish of me catch can't hold for 1. Brother, you're going like your fish bigger than fish. Chop. Alright guys, let me get my plate. Don't know. Yeah man. You feel me piece of duffo. Buffo.
You can't get more yam on me because I have more fish filter.
Relax yourself. Aye. Yo, Benjie man, the fish banana man. It's beautiful. Put your jacko right as today. Yes sir. Guys, just look at that. See man, it's a lovely day out. You know? An old meal. Benjamin Butler, where you going with this?
There, well. See there.
Hey guys, dig into this right now.
Table for 1. One side I part and feed food.
Alright guys, that's the outcome. You don't know. Yeah man. So roast yam and fish on the beach. You don't know. Fresh to catch. Let's go and stay tuned guys, you know. Yeah man. Yeah guys, you don't know. It's all love guys, I swear. Yeah man, no better way for living, you know. Guys, look at that. Hot. Oh, you good stuff? Baby that man. Yeah guys, but like always, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment what your thoughts are, yeah? Share this video around. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Yeah man, Jamaica Wildlife saying peace out, God bless. One love, alright? Yeah man, big up on yourself. Oh, I'm not going it, look. So it's still going on, yeah? Yes sir. Yeah guys, so you don't know. Everything shell off. Reach back home you now. Start editing a bag of thing. Yeah guys, so until next time, yeah? Peace out.